Hello student, today topics is spectral series of hydrogen atom. When the electron in a hydrogen atom jumps from higher energy level to the lower energy level, the difference of the energy of the two energy level is emitted as a radiation of particular wavelength. It is called spectral line. Actually, what is happening when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level? The energy is emitted. How much energy is emitted? That gives the difference of two energy levels. According to Bohr postulates, energy radiated when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level. When electrons absorb energy, then electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. You see the diagram, I have shown some lines. So this is nucleus and these are the some orbit where electrons are revolving. Say energy is radiated, then electrons will jump from higher energy level of energy EI and an orbit principal quantum number is Ni. So when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, say energy is EF and principal quantum number is NF, then difference of energy, what is the difference of energy? Difference of energy is EI minus EF. EI minus EF, that gives that amount of energy is emitted. Again, when electrons absorb energy, then electron jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level. Here we are showing energy is radiated, emitted, so electron jumps from here higher energy level to lower energy level. Say EI and EF be the energy of the electron in the initially stationary orbit of principal quantum number Ni, and EF is the final stationary orbit, energy of final stationary orbit of principal quantum number N. As we know, the total energy of electron in nth orbit is, so since we are considering the electron is in this orbit of energy EI, then energy of the electron EI is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught whole square 2 pi square m e to the power 4 by Ni square h square. So this is the energy in the higher energy level. Then when electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, then energy of the electron in the lower energy level is EF. EF equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi square m e to the power 4 NF square by NF square h square. So this is the energy in the lower energy level. So according to Bohr postulate, the energy is emitted, that gives the how much energy emitted, that gives the difference of energy. According to Bohr postulate, this difference of energy is equal to h nu. When electron jumps from the orbit Ni to orbit Nf, this is orbit Ni to orbit Nf. So we are taking, this is the orbit when electron jumps from Ni orbit to Nf orbit, then the energy emitted, that gives the difference of energy H nu equal to EI minus EF, where H is Planck's constant. Here this H is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of radiation. Since we have considered Ni is greater than, here Ni is greater than NF. So therefore the difference of energy is EI minus EF equal to H nu. Now we are substituting the value of EI and EF, and here EI is this and EF is this. So after substituting, so this is minus, so minus minus becomes plus, and we can take common. Common is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi square m e to the power 4 by h square. So a remaining part is this part is the common part. This is but common. So then here we are writing this term first. So 1 by nf square minus 1 by ni square. So again, if you bring h in the right hand side, then here h square, so h square becomes h cube. So nu equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi square m e to the power 4 by h cube, nf square 1 by nf square minus 1 by ni square. So this is equation number say 1. So this is the frequency. This equation 1 gives the value of the frequency of the radiation emitted. So how much energy is emitted? The frequency of radiation is this. So this equation represents the value of the frequency of the radiation emitted. Again, we can replace by nu we can write here, we can write in terms of wavelength. If lambda, you see, if lambda is the wavelength of the radiation emitted, then that is wave velocity c equal to nu lambda. C is the velocity of radiation. We can say this is say light. So c equal to nu lambda. So nu equal to c by lambda. Now, so nu equal to here is in equation 1 nu we can replacing by nu we are putting c by lambda. C is the velocity of radiation. So c by lambda equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi square m e to the power 4 h cube 1 by nf square minus 1 by ni square. So again, if you bring c in right hand side, so c will come in the denominator. So 1 by lambda equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi square m e to the power 4 c h cube whole bracket 1 by nf square minus 1 by ni square. So 1 by lambda equal to rh nf minus 1 by ni square. 1 by lambda equal to rh bracket start 1 by nf square minus 1 by ni square. So here rh, what is rh? Rh is the Rydberg constant. Rh is the Rydberg constant. So this value, you see, this value is said to be Rydberg constant of hydrogen atom. Since we are taking hydrogen atom z equal to 1, atomic number 1, so Rh, so this is a constant value. So this constant value is called Rydberg constant of hydrogen atom. So its value is 1 point, Rh value is 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. So Rydberg constant value is 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 per meter. This is the value of Rydberg constant. So by using this equation, when an electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, or electrons jumps from lower energy level to higher energy level, then using this equation we calculate the energy or wavelength or frequency by using this equation. It's very important equation. Every time you have to use it to find the wavelength, energy, frequency, etc. Thank you.